Hi and welcome to another Type with me. Today I want to talk about WinterCG is coming to Ecma International. WinterCG is coming is a great joke, of course, because I also like Game of Thrones, and I thought, well, that's great, winter is coming, but actually that's a little bit reference to that. So I want to talk about this because actually that's a very good thing. Dino is always committed to web standards and runtime interoperability. So it's important to have some kind of a standards around certain APIs, around certain things, and the web has a lot of that in common with W3C, and to promote. And so at the W3C to promote runtime interoperability to web standards. So in 2021, Dino joined ECMAScript to participate in TC39. And afterwards, they founded the Web Interoperability Runtimes Community Group, WinterCG. And since then, WinterCG has been worked on standards of its own, such as the minimum common API. However, as a W3C community group, WinterCG was not able to publish this standard. And today, they are excited to announce that WinterCG is moving to the ECMAScript International as ECMAScript, or as Ecma International Technical Committee 55, which is, I think, a very good thing. You know that for the ECMAScript language, they have also a ECMAScript committee where they have different kind of stages where they go through to publish APIs and standards. So it's nice to see that this is also moving into that direction. This move enables WinterTC, the new name of the group, to publish standards such as the minimal common API. I think it's nice. If we go to the WinterTC, then you see here that WinterTC is aiming to achieve some level of API interoperability across server-side JavaScript runtimes, especially for APIs that are common with the web. This is done by standardization of a minimum common API. And the big advantage of that is if you have a minimum common API, you can do interoperability between Dino, Node.js, and other kind of parties in that play. So for the whole ecosystem of server-side web frameworks and for the JavaScript ecosystem as a whole, I think it's a very good thing. You see here that we have Alibaba, Bloomberg, ByteDance of TikTok, which is a really curious but interesting thing. We have Cloudflare, we have Dino, we have Fastly, we have Igalia, we have Netlify, we have Node.js, of course, we have Shopify, we have Suborbital, we have Versal, and we have Azion. Certain things I don't know what it is, but I know, for example, that Igalia is a very powerful player into standardization. So if we go here to scope, you see here that we go to the ECMAScript International or the Ecma International website, and then you see here web interoperable server runtimes to refine and standardize a minimum common API service along with a verifiable definition of compliance to that API. So I know it's a very short and briefly introduction to what I think is a very good thing. I just want to talk about this because I think it will do a lot for the Node.js ecosystem as a whole, right? To Node.js, Dino, Bun, and the others of this world, so that it's all standardized. If you write something of code within JavaScript or TypeScript, maybe along with an LLM, you can then very easily publish it to NPM or GSR, and it can be picked up by a lot of other entities, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you think that this is very useful. And also, if you think that this is a very good thing, please put a comment down below to tell me and the other viewers what you think of this move. Thank you very much. See you next time.